Your tech company's social media sucks. Here's how to fix it. Why your social media sucks if you work in tech. Your tech company has researched and developed a new product and, boom, your sales team is trying to get the product off the shelves and fast. Hold your horses, your sales will increase if you consider giving your company's social media page some TLC. So, what causes your tech company's social media page to suck in the first place? Let's get to the bottom of why your tech company's social media page sucks. Oh, and here are some ways you can help your tech company's social media strategy gain engagement and build a community. Start with people, not product. People, people, people. Behind every innovation, every product, every service, every solution, there are real people with real stories. Think about the folks behind your tech company and the customers who need your products or services. Are you sharing their stories? If not, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. Talk about why the solution was designed and who it is for. What was the story behind the great innovation your company has developed? Put yourself in your customer's shoes. Talk about what problems your company solves. The trap of product-centric focus. Many tech companies fall into the trap of solely focusing on their products and services. They highlight features, specifications, and updates, but neglect the human element, the stories behind the scenes. Does your socials reflect the creativity and effort that went into your tech advancements? If not, it's time to make a change. The importance of storytelling. Is your tech company's social media just a list of product highlights and industry news? While it's important to share updates, these posts often lack the personal touch that resonates with your audience. Without engaging stories, your content can feel flat and uninteresting. Are you connecting with your audience on a deeper level? If not, you're missing a valuable opportunity to build trust and loyalty. A great free tool you can use to help you write quality content is called Hemingway Editor. This tool gives you power. The editor guides you, helping you improve the overall readability of your content by using a grading system. If you struggle with writing, definitely go check this free tool out. There is no strategy. Often, a tech company's social media strategy is no strategy. Tech companies typically do not provide any value on their social pages, therefore they cannot maintain an audience. A great rule of thumb is that a tech company's social media strategy should start building around gaining social media engagement and building an online community. So how can you fix this? How can you make your social posts more engaging and relatable? Give a voice to your team. Share stories from your engineers, designers, marketers, and anyone who contributes to your company's success. Their personal stories are key to building a connection with your audience. Ever thought about how a product update came to be? Let the designer behind it tell that story. Highlight individual contributions. When your product gets an update, talk about who designed it. What inspired these changes? What didn't they like about the old version? Share the story behind the update, not just the update itself. Showcase different voices and perspectives. By sharing a variety of voices, you create a richer narrative that reflects the diverse contributions within your company. This adds authenticity and makes your social posts feel more genuine. Isn't it more interesting to hear from different people in the company? Create authentic connections. Sharing genuine stories and experiences on your tech company's social media page creates meaningful connections and fosters a sense of community. Authenticity makes people feel like they are engaging with real people, not just a faceless brand. Are your customers feeling that connection? If not, it's time to bring some authenticity to your posts. Building a community through engaging content. Let's talk about building a community and how the content you push out can make a huge difference to your tech company's social media page. Your audience on socials is diverse. You have new followers and loyal customers who already know your products and services. How do you create content that appeals to all these different types of audiences? Don't worry, the answer to that question is coming up. Differentiate your content for different audiences. One way to engage various segments of your audience is by hosting Q&A sessions with team members. Imagine letting your audience ask questions directly to the people behind your products. Or you could answer common questions you've received and create engaging content around these topics. Does your audience have burning questions? Answer them in a fun, interactive way. Interactive content. Running polls and surveys is another great way to engage your audience. These not only encourage interaction, but also provide valuable data. What better way to understand your audience than by asking them directly? Plus, you can use this feedback to improve future content and products. Another hidden gem is that you can even engage with feedback, increasing your presence and interacting with potential customers. Encouraging community participation. Create content on your tech company's social media pages that encourage community participation. Think about challenges or collaborative projects. For instance, ask your audience what updates they'd like to see in your next product release. This not only engages them but also taps into social listening, helping you understand their needs and preferences. Celebrating milestones and achievements. Celebrate milestones and achievements, both company-wide and individual employee successes. Anniversaries, new product launches, or even Employee of the Month awards can be great content. Does your audience know about the hard work and dedication of your team? Share these stories to build a deeper connection. These posts can even become a part of a recurring content calendar, saving you some precious days throughout the year. Tailoring content to different platforms. Now, let's talk about tailoring your content based on the platform. Are you using LinkedIn, Instagram, both? LinkedIn, focus on professionalism. Your tone should be strong and professional, but that doesn't mean it can't be compelling. Use your copywriting skills to craft engaging posts. You don't want to sound like a robot. Here are 3 ways you can achieve a mix of professionalism with an engaging tone of voice. Ask rhetorical questions. Talk about controversial topics. Don't be afraid to write how you speak. Instagram. This platform is all about visuals. Use Reels to show behind-the-scenes content or fun, engaging posts. Your captions should be short and filled with emojis to keep the tone light and approachable. Measuring success. Finally, measuring the success of your posts is crucial. Track engagement, reach, and uniqueness. Are your followers engaging with your content, or are you attracting a new audience? Understanding this will help you optimize future posts and ensure your social media doesn't suck. Now, your socials don't suck. There is always the option of structuring and creating a content planner. You will be able to spend less time worrying about the posts you are writing on the day. Therefore, you have more time available to ideate new ideas for the future. By planning ahead, you're not just keeping up with the pace, you're staying ahead of it. Anticipating upcoming events, holidays, or campaigns allows you to tailor your content accordingly. Whether it's a product launch or a seasonal promotion, you can create a well-rounded content strategy that resonates with your audience and drives results. Just remember, by differentiating your content, encouraging community participation, and tailoring your posts to fit different platforms, you can build a stronger, more engaged community. And don't forget to measure your success and keep optimizing. With these strategies, your social presence will not only improve, but thrive. Want more tips on enhancing your tech company's marketing? Check out our blog on 5 marketing tactics for tech companies to make you stand out. And are you ready to transform your tech company's social media but still struggling? Pop us a message. We will get your social media page up to speed for you.